Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily boost your posts on Instagram, so let's jump right into it. First, open your Instagram app and tap on the profile picture in the bottom right. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, and then from this menu tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on account type and tools, tap on switch to a professional account, and then continue in setting up your professional account. Once you're done, go back to your profile. Tap on the post that you want to boost. You'll find this boost post button right here. Tap on it. From there, tap on the post again. This button will appear in the top. Tap on boost. And then from here, tap on next. Now we'll get multiple choices. Select one of them. I'm going to select more views on my profile and then tap on next in the bottom. From here, just select your target audience. I'm gonna keep it automatic and then tap on next in the bottom. From here, just set up your budget and for how long do you want this boost to last. Now, if you keep it like this, as you can see, it will last for 7 days and I will be paying $21, and that's how we do it. Tap on next in the bottom. From here, just add a payment method and can proceed in paying, and your post will be boosted, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.